2007 G35. Quick look around. 2024 tags have been paid.
Another one. 2 screws. Okay, there we go. I think the issue is now this one. There's one. There's the other one there. Nice and tight. Nice and tight.
All right. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. Oh boy! All right, and we got a working sunroof, my boy. Start. Sunroof wasn't working before. Connected everything back up. Both lights work. And I think that's the door light. Nope. Yeah. The one for the door open, door closed, lights off. Alright. Button. Sunroof open. Sunroof closed. Alright. Oh, and then we got one more option. Crack it open. Close it back up. And shut. Radio.
And easy holiday.
Working.
My holiday list.
Windows working. Seats working. Same thing on this one.